parts of Greater Manchester, East Lancashire and Preston, and West Yorkshire, there have been restrictions put in place because of an outbreak of the coronavirus. The government and the local authorities have done this to try and control the spread of the virus. Today, I'm going to talk about some of the changes to restrictions that have been made in these areas and what these changes have meant for people living there. You must not meet people inside homes or gardens that you do not live with, except where you have formed a support bubble. A support bubble is where a household with one adult joins with any other household. You must not socialize with people you do not live with in other indoor public venues, such as pubs, restaurants, and cafes. You must not visit friends or family in care homes, other than in exceptional circumstances. You should only socialize in outside public places like parks in groups of up to 6 people from multiple households. Despite these changes, the town of Oldham in Greater Manchester has been the hardest hit area for the virus, with a big surge in cases. Earlier, I spoke to Roy Hayes, who lives in Calderdale, and he spoke to me about what the local restrictions have meant for him and what's it been like.
I think this local lockdown, because we're in a current local lockdown. See, as I said, there's only one restriction really, and that I can see, and that's having friends come to your house. But I find it very confusing, and I think from talking to people around Halifax and that, especially people with disabilities and that, I think people are really confused to what they can and can't do. For my support workers are confused. First main big lockdown, my care was reduced from 6 hours to 2 hours. So I was rather isolated. Restrictions. I haven't really noticed much change. I'm under a different care provider now because there were issues before, so social services decided to switch me because I was being left a lot, before. But at the moment, things seem to be going okay. I wish I could go back to work though. In these times, I think people probably need more support, not less, because it has impact on people's health, and like my mental health had a bit of a downfall. It's better for me now because I'm under a better surface now. They do a lot more with me, like gardening. So yesterday we did gardening because we're in the process of doing my garden.